In August 2021, the U.S. Census Bureau gathered data from the National Association of Resale and Thrift shops showing about 16 to 18% of Americans will shop at a thrift store during a given year. Their website said,
to keep these figures in perspective, consider that during the same time frame, 11.4% of Americans shop in factory outlet malls, 19.6% in apparel stores and 21.3% in major department stores.
There are many reasons thrifting has become popular with this generation. Ethan Winspear, a 21-year-old biology major at Brigham Young University, shared thrifting is something he does when a new season starts and he is in need of clothes. He also favors the ability it gives him to curate a unique style at a lower cost. Another reason some might sway toward thrifting over traditional retail stores would be the eco-friendly and sustainability benefits that come with it.
I believe thrifting is a huge trend that will continue to grow, particularly pushed by the younger generations that are environmentally conscious. Never before have young adults been so in tune and so environmentally aware of the negative impact of conspicuous consumption.
Said Michelle Hyde, a Brigham Young University professor teaching dynamics of clothing. Although thrift shops offer a wide range of styles, finding a specific piece of clothing may be more challenging. Aubrey Remmel, a 19-year-old Brigham Young University student studying exercise science, said she prefers traditional retail stores because it helps her get an idea of how to style a piece. Remmel said,
I usually go thrifting with friends as a social outing, not with the intention of finding something specific.
Some people still look down upon thrifting. But it has become more common among society. People have begun to see it in a different light. Remmel said,
I thought it was a little weird and gross to buy used clothing. With age, my opinion has evolved to appreciate giving clothing a second life.
Hyde said the negative stigma is disappearing and it's now considered cool to find treasures to create new styles from recycled clothing.